Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your DELL Chromebook 3400. To restart your laptop, you can either navigate to the control center in the bottom right corner of your device, then select power options and select restart to confirm. Otherwise, you can also hold down the power key of your device for a couple of seconds. This will make the power toolbar appear on your screen, where you'll be able to select shut down and then turn on your device once it has switched off. And now if your device is frozen, you can force restart it. To do that, just hold down the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds, and once the screen of your device goes off, you can release the power button for a couple of seconds and short press it once again to relaunch your Chromebook. Once you see the Chrome OS logo on your screen, that means that your device is restarting. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.